Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is similar in all other browsers. So let's open it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options like visited websites, tabs, and cookies, cache, and other site data. We can change the time range up to you totally and tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got it. So saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove it, just mark it, change the time range again to, for example, all time or whatever time range you need, and then tap on delete data. And basically this is it. We just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.